Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My English book, Standard 8. House Builder Warming Up Exercise. So let's start with our chit chat first. The first question is, what is retirement from occupation? रिटायरमेंट क्या होता है किसी भी पेशे से? तो दैट मीन्स स्टॉप ऑफ वर्क बिकॉज ऑफ रीच टू अ पर्टिकुलर एज. मतलब जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर एज में पहुंच जाते हो तो आप अपने काम से रिटायर हो जाते हो या आप काम करना बंद कर देते हो. व्हेन डू पीपल रिटायर? प्रोबेबली एट द एज ऑफ 60. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन इंडिया पीपल स्टॉप एट द एज ऑफ 60. For what reason do people have to retire from their occupation? So in today's world we can say age related problem or health problem due to which people retire from their occupation. How do people spend their time after retirement? क्या करते होंगे लोग रिटायरमेंट के बाद? They spend time with their families, complete their hobbies. जिंदगी भर काम करने में ही बीत जाती है तो जो उनकी शौक है, हॉबीज़ है, वो कंप्लीट करने के लिए और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं रिटायरमेंट के बाद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज डिस्कस एंड मैच द प्रोफेशनल इन्वॉल्व इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन विद द वर्क दे डू. कंस्ट्रक्शंस के रिलेटेड जो प्रोफेशंस है उससे जो टर्म्स है उससे हम मैच करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो ए वी हैव टू मैच विद बी, बट आई एम गोइंग टू रीड बी फर्स्ट सो वी कैन मैच इट विद ए. तो पहले देखते ए. Makes wooden framework of door, windows, etc. Who does that? Yes, carpenter. Carpenter makes wooden framework of doors, windows, etc. Beautifies the inside of a home. Interior decorator beautifies the inside of a home. Does the flooring. Who does the flooring? Tiler does the flooring. Plans the design structure. Who does that? Architect plans the design structure. Ensure structure will be strong and stable. Very important work. Engineers ensure structure will be strong and stable. Builds walls, roofs, etc. and plaster. Mason builds walls, roof, etc. and plaster. Supervise construction, employees, workers, professional, etc. Who does that? Building contractor. Building contractors supervise construction, employees, workers, professional, etc. Okay, now we are going to learn something very interesting and my favorite one too. A word can be broken into units of pronunciation, each having one vowel sound with or without consonant sound around it. Each such unit is called a syllable. So we are going to learn about syllable. What is syllable? It's a breaking of a particular word on its vowel sound. Remember vowel sound? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. All those are what? Vowel sound. It's very important in pronouncing words. So we can see what it says. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. Syllable usually contains a vowel and occupying consonant. Sometimes syllables are referred to as the beats of spoken English. So in spoken English, vowel sounds play an important role. So let's see what are those syllables. So first we are going to see one syllable word. Means if there is one, the word is break into only one sound and there is vowel sounds are also there, like two. So O, only one vowel sound is there, so it goes like two, gut, will, see, etc. So there is no breaking of that word, so it's one syllable. And there is, you can say one vowel sound is there and they make sound and they don't break. So now we come to two syllable. So let's see the examples. Father. So when we say father, we break it fa and der. So you can see one syllable is a and another is e, so it break into two, so it's called father. Mason, builder, all those words have two syllable sound. Clear? Now we can say three syllable. Okay, so it goes like engineer, engineer, carpenter, carpenter, construction, construction, etc. They have three syllable words. So what you have to do in this, write your name of your friends who have one or two syllable or three syllable words. So you have to write your friend's name like that, who has one, who has two, who has three syllable. अपने फ्रेंड्स के नाम लिखिए, किसके वन syllable है, टू syllable है या थ्री syllable है. Interesting homework. You should do it.